Hello, children, welcome back. Let us begin our day with the thought. So, today's thought is start by doing what is necessary, then do what is possible, and suddenly you are doing the impossible. Simple message, but very important and relevant message that do the things that are very essential, do the things that are possible, and one day you will find that the things that seem to be impossible for you now they are in your reach. In short, regularly study, regularly practice, and you will be able to do the impossible things. Let me ask you something. If any important message has to be conveyed to many people at one time, how are we going to convey? Got the answer? Let me help you to find out the answer. We can announce, isn't it? We can announce. How can we announce? We can convey the message in newspaper, but the fastest way of conveying any message to the general public, if the issue is of national importance, if the issue is of public interest, repeated announce can be made on radio and television. So this is regarding national issue. What about the issues that are related to students? How we announce them? Let us see what is an announcement. Announcement is a declaration and has a specific purpose. So when any message has to be conveyed to all the children of the school, either we do the announcement in assembly or we announce the thing from our mic. Do you remember? Do you recollect? You all do. So let us see what is an announcement. So let us revise. Why do we make announcement? When any declaration or when any instruction has to be conveyed to many people at the same time, we do the announcement. So let us read again. What is an announcement? Announcement is a declaration and has a specific purpose. Otherwise, no need of doing it, isn't it? Recently, you must have heard various announcements regarding lockdown, social distancing, care and precautions to be taken in this pandemic. Even the van that collects the garbage, continuously, repeatedly, the tape is being played. It's regarding social distancing. It's regarding the collection of garbage, ola kachra, suka kachra, the things that can be recycled. You are hearing that every day. That is also a sort of announcement for the people. Do you remember the announcements done in the school? Of course you do. You can easily recollect the various announcements in assembly as well as from the mic system or audio system. These announcements were usually regarding various examinations, competition, workshops, regarding school timings on 15th August, 26th January. Whenever there were some changes in the school timing, those were also announced along with the written notice and SMS. Everything was announced, isn't it? Sometimes they were related to discipline and behavior issues too. Remember the following points while framing an announcement. So, today we will read out the announcements given, related announcement. We will match the heading with the announcement, and in the next period, we will be learning to frame an announcement. So, few details we have to always keep in mind. Suppose you are doing an announcement related to a topic. So, please keep in mind these important points. Give a good headline. Be precise and direct. Precise is accurate. The collection of words should be such that the message should be accurately conveyed to the children or to the people who are concerned with the announcement. Mention the details. As I have told you, announcement can be regarding any particular issue in school. Generally, they are related to competitions, workshops. So, details has to be mentioned. And if it is regarding any competition, mention the date, time and venue. Otherwise, children won't understand about when the competition will be held. So, details are very necessary in short, but everything should be conveyed without any ambiguity. Instruction should be very clear. There shouldn't be any confusion. So now please turn to page number 14 of our textbook, that is chapter number 6, announcements, general instruction. As usual, whenever we are reading out anything from textbook, you will follow your own textbook. So let us see which is our first announcement. It is dated 6 July 2015. It has been observed by the head boy and head girl that certain classes do not clean up their classrooms before leaving. If any class is found untidy and littered after school, that class will be detained the next day after school hours up to 4 p.m. Please take note of this. So this is regarding hygiene issue that many classes are littered. You can easily remember the days when the classes were either littered or you used to clean up the classroom and then only you used to go. So both things used to happen, isn't it? So the head boy and head girl had observed that many classes are not clean, tidy, and next day if they are not cleaned up properly, children of those classes will be detained. What is the meaning of detained? Detained is after the school hours, they have to wait for some more time. They won't be allowed to go home. Next announcement is regarding change in school timings. Let us read that. Tomorrow, that is on the 10th of July, school will close an hour earlier as the teachers have to attend an important PTA meeting. So please inform your parents to arrange to pick you up at 2 p.m. instead of 3 p.m. So these are regarding, this announcement is regarding change in school timings. Date is mentioned, timings are mentioned. You can easily understand that the school is up to 3 p.m. but since the school will close 1 hour earlier, the children are supposed to go home at 2 p.m. Moving on to next announcement. These are our favorite ones. On Sunday, 12 July 2015, there is a football match between classes 8th and 9th on the school ground. The match will begin at 9 a.m. All students are invited to come and cheer their favorite team. Please come on time so that the players are not distracted. Please look at the details. This is regarding football match. Date is mentioned, timings are mentioned, venue is mentioned, and the classes which are participating, and one important instruction that please be on time because after the match starts, don't be late. Why? Because the players really get distracted. Next one is about a competition. The school has organized a storytelling competition for classes 5th, 6th, 7th from 21st to 25th of July. The competition will be held in the school hall at 10 in the morning. Children may select a fable, a folk tale, a fairy tale, a true story, a funny story. 3 prizes will be given for each category. Time limit is 3 to 5 minutes. Those who wish to participate may contact Mrs. Sanjana Mohite for other details. They must register their names with her before the 16th of July. So this is regarding storytelling competition. Which classes can participate, that is specifically mentioned. Then topics are given, time limit is also given. So just read the details which are necessary to frame any competition, isn't it? Moving on to the next page. This is sort of warning. Construction work to extend the school building will start next week. All students are cautioned not to cross over the fence at the construction site. It is dangerous and may cause you injury, and important words are given in bold. Please stay away from that fence. So this is warning for you all that you are not allowed to go near the fence. Why? Because construction work will be starting and anybody can get injured. Next is of lost and found. In the school, these announcements were always made, be it related to tiffin bag, watch, cycle key. These are the normal things that used to be lost by some of you, and these were always found by other students. A cycle key with a blue keychain has been found on the ground. Whoever has lost it can contact the clerk, Mrs. Nina Pinto, and see if it belongs to him or her. So, this is regarding the lost and found. Please remember, whenever we make any announcement regarding lost and found, be specific about the details. You have to describe the thing. If it is watch, black color, golden color, and then where it is lost. This is cycle, this is a keychain with, this is a cycle key, my mistake, a cycle key with a blue keychain. Excuse me. Along with that, where it was lost, and then somebody has found, and some of the children who have found have deposited it to the office clerk, and the announcement is done that whoever is the owner, we used to say in that way, can collect it from Mrs. Nina Pinto. So these are various announcements related to various topics: hygiene, then change in school timing, regarding a match, lost and found, then a warning, and a competition. In our next period, we will learn how to frame an announcement. Few details and points will be provided, and we will learn how to write, how to frame an announcement rather. Let us see what we can do, things to do. Choose a suitable heading for each announcement from those given below. Let us see these headings they have given. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we have 6 announcements. So let us match with the heading with the suitable announcement. Then present any one of the announcement yourself. This is oral work. Question number 3, group work. Now, one thing I want to convey you all, dear children and dear parents, that group work is omitted because of social distancing. When children are at school, we used to conduct all these activities, but now since children are studying from their home, it's not possible for us to conduct the activities that could be done in the group. And in the revised syllabus, government has omitted some of the part of the syllabus, so group activities are omitted. Question number 4, prepare an announcement. This we will learn in the next period. Now let us move on to question number 1. Change in school hours. This was the announcement that was regarding change in school hours, isn't it? Then cleanliness. The announcement, the first announcement on page number 14 was the one which was regarding cleanliness. Storytelling competitions. This was the announcement regarding storytelling competition. Lost and found. What was lost? A cycle key with a blue keychain. Warning. What was the warning? Stay away from that fence. And football match. This was the announcement related to football match. So this is all for the today's learning period. In the next period, we will learn how to frame an announcement. Till then, you can read the announcement once again. Don't write anything in notebook. We will start writing part in the next period. So stay safe, stay indoors. Thank you.